Kitty, you know all those seeds that were sent in the mail to people who never ordered them? Well, guess what? The USDA said some of them were very toxic, even to our pets. But don't worry, I grow broccoli for you. Hi, everybody. This is Robbie from Southern California, and I'm going to talk about a subject I talked about just a couple months ago on the mysterious seeds, the mystery seeds that were coming in from China all over the United States as well as many other parts of the world. Barbara C. just recently asked me whatever happened with those, and that's a good topic to talk about today because she wants to plant it for fun. Well, let me tell you something. You can go to the website, and I will put the link below to the USDA, and they're investigating the parcels that have been coming in. They don't know the reason yet for why they were sent in the millions all over the world. It could have been something as simple as the companies in China wanted to show they were still selling items, and they were just sending out these small parcels. It could have been something as they wanted to test the different postal systems to see if they could catch it, because it is illegal to send seeds into this country without being inspected. Nobody knows right now what the reason was. The Chinese government is also investigating with our government to see if they can find out what is going on. But at the link, you can see the USDA is sharing the updates on the seed packages that were sent to the residents. You can go and click on that link once you get there and read through that. They also go through seed package mailing guidance. You can go there and click on and read all that. Also, a Q&A on the different seeds, and they go through information on that too, and you can read through and see if anything is of an interest to you. Then they also have multiple photos of the seeds and how they're going through and inspecting all the seeds. Now, let me start off by saying I would never plant these seeds. The government, the USDA, wants you to turn them in. But if you decide for whatever reason you don't want to turn them in, it's all on their website, how to turn them in. Get rid of them where they don't end up in the ground. There have actually been some of them already analyzed to be a noxious weed. That's one of them. Now, a noxious weed is not the worst of what they found. But a noxious weed, if you tried to grow it, thought it wasn't growing, tossed it out in your yard, you could end up with a weed that could be devastating to your garden as well as your neighbors and people around you, especially the way seeds can be carried by birds. So we're not talking about something toxic. We're talking about something noxious. And I have dealt with things that have come out of things in the past, nothing to do with these seeds. And let me tell you, if you're dealing with some weeds you can't get rid of, you pull them out and the roots still are viable and they grow back, it is difficult to get rid of. So I would not throw them out in your garden, even if you think they're no good. The big one that they have found is a seed that's from the RHUS family, Arias. That is actually very toxic. If you try to grow that and you handle it, it is so toxic and allergic that it is like touching poison ivy, poison oak, or poison sumac. It has the same compounds in there in that bush that you'll grow. So you'll be growing this little innocent plant and then ending up probably at the hospital. So the point is here, they have been investigating. They are investigating. It is best to send it back to them. Whatever you do, I would not grow them. I don't believe there were any vegetable seeds that were bad. I do worry about plants that have been genetically modified. That was my concern on it, and they're still looking into that. So go to the website if you have any other concerns and you still have the seeds and you want to get rid of them, but please discard them in a way that they'll never end up in your yard or somebody else's yard or a farm, which could be detrimental for everybody. So I hope I've answered some questions. Check the links out below. Please don't plant those seeds. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye, everybody.